Hi, my name is Melissa Saenz, and I am the judge of Bexar County Court number 2, and I'm a graduate of UTSA, class of 2007, with a bachelor's degree in political science. So my interest in law actually developed when I was in college at UTSA. I took a class my very first year called American Criminal Justice System, and that was with Professor Kim Keller. And it was just for some reason, it was one of the easiest classes that I had taken, not because it was easy content, but it was just easy for me to understand. Back when I did the Summer Law Prep Academy, it was the very first time that I'd really taken any type of legal classes. Prior to then, it had just been political stuff, government, but it definitely caused for you to really think about the laws that are in place and how the court affects everyone's everyday life. I definitely think that being in the Summer Prep Academy gave me the ability to want to go to law school and get me started. I do remember my very first year of law school in constitutional law. Some of the cases that we were having to read were cases that I had already read in the Summer Law Prep Academy. And so I definitely felt like it put me one foot forward in front of everybody else in the class because I had already dealt with these cases, I had already had discussion about them. And so the Summer Law Prep for me was a very good starting point for me in this career. So earlier this year, I decided that I wanted to be more involved in the community in regards to students. I feel like growing up, I didn't come from a family of attorneys and I didn't really know anything about the law. I didn't even realize that there was really a career for me in this field. And so I reached out to Dr. Alvarez over the summer and I just told her I wanted to make myself available just to kind of let students at UTSA know what my job is, what jobs are available in the legal field, and answer any questions for those who may be interested. So that ended up leading to Dr. Alvarez inviting me to one of her panel discussions for the Summer Law Prep Academy. And from there, some of the students reached out and asked me for an internship. I didn't really have an internship in place at the time, but I wanted to make sure that if they were asking, then I wanted to be able to provide them an opportunity, just like other people in my past provided me an opportunity.
I've always had a passion for law, and I knew that I did want to become an attorney. So the Summer Law Prep Academy kind of gave me the opportunity to meet a bunch of different people and to experience talking to lawyers, to talk to judges, to talk to people who were all kind of in that same career field. One of the judges that I met was actually Judge Saenz. What she said really spoke to me because she was really interested in helping her community, and that's what led her into becoming a lawyer and then eventually a judge. So she's been a really good mentor for me, and I really do appreciate having her help. The knowledge that she has is really invaluable.
What I've really enjoyed about this internship is hearing their perspectives, because these are students who, they're interested in law, they're interested in going to law school, but they've never really seen the inside of a court. They've never really seen how a court operates, especially on the criminal side. And so there's a lot of different things that go into it, and I'm glad that they're being able to experience it and get a feel for if this is a career that they're actually wanting to pursue. It's completely a full circle moment for me. The way that the Summer Law Prep Academy gave me an opportunity, it's just very important for me that I try to do that for other students.